Hello everyone, I am Gary Montesilo Tungal and this is my video reflection about the topic of policing the internet. We know that we are in the digital era, right? And the internet has become part of our lives, offering us various opportunities for learning, communication, and entertainment. However, despite of these opportunities, also come risks and challenges. That's why we need to be careful when using internet. First, it is important to prioritize our safety online. To use internet safely, make sure that you use strong and unique passwords for each of your account and enable that two-factor authentication. We need to avoid clicking suspicious link and don't share your personal information online. And regularly update your security software to protect against cyber threats. Now let's talk about the different information threats on the internet. First is the data breach, where our confidential or sensitive information is accessed or viewed by unauthorized individual. Next is phishing. Phishing is this could be done through email. Next is identity theft, credit card duplication, and etc. It is essential to stay informed about these threats and take proactive measures to safeguard our digital identities. Once again, I am Gary Montesilo Tungal, encouraging you all to apply the proper etiquette online in order to create a peaceful online community. Kung unsa ta makipag-interact sa personal, ingana pud atong buhaton sa online. It is essential to treat others with respect and kindness in the digital realm. This means refraining from engaging in cyberbullying, being mindful on the content we share, and thinking twice before posting anything that could cause harm or offense to others. By staying informed, practicing caution, and treating others with empathy and respect, we can all play a part in making the internet safe.